Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 10 days of April. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign and the name sign. And if you want to get a personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel while I'm laying down your cards. Yeah, let me see what are the additional messages for Cancerians. Okay. Guidance from the angels for Cancerians. Messages for Cancerians. Okay, Cancerians. We're starting with all the three major arcanas out here with the World card, the Moon, and the Devil. So what I'm feeling here is, excuse me, that you were, or you, I'm getting the word were only, you were in a very balanced situation, a very good situation. You were feeling very abundant, very happy, very content, and you were in a position of like you have achieved a lot in life, and now you are in a position of moving ahead in whatever direction you want to, whatever way you want to, something like that. And you were feeling very free, very sort of that floating and that vibrant type of an energy. That's what I'm getting. Very abundant, very balanced, very that floating in the air, floating in waters, that very uh, that buoyancy, a very 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 positive and a very good energy. And then there is something, you are dealing with somebody, I think, who is very very controlling, very very controlling, and this person is very dominating. They have the habit of, they just chain you down. They want to chain you down. They want to control your feelings, your emotions, your everything you do. And they, that obsessive nature, that sadistic type of a thing, that negative energy is there. This person has a very negative vibe, or the behavior is very toxic or negative, and that is why you are basically first of all advised to follow your instincts, follow your insight. are you getting involved in some love triangle? And that is why the situation is getting very toxic for you, though you yourself are in a very good energy. As far as personally you are concerned, you are in a very good energy, but somebody here is very controlling in their behaviors, not letting you go. Very, very toxic energy. They make you feel as if they are the owner of your life. Okay, they want you to do every damn thing which they want you to do. Something like that. They feel as if they are your god or they are everything to you. They have the right to control you. That's what they feel. Let me see what the other cards have to say. And immediately it's followed by the magician. So what I am feeling here is that I think it's you only. This person, you are you want to start anew. You have the resources and you want a fresh beginning, and you are in a position to manifest a powerful beginning. And now I think you're just fed up with this, and you are you've just, so now it's done, it's over, and now you want a new beginning in which you want abundance, happiness for yourself. You have the information, you have the knowledge now, you have gained that wisdom, you have that knowledge, you have the resources, you are in a position to move forward. So if I combine these two, then what I feel is that since you are now, you know that you are dealing with something like that, maybe you know, you are already suspecting it's a love triangle perhaps, and this person is very, very controlling. You are ready to start anew, and that is why this is ending and a new beginning sort of a thing. You feel now, yeah, basically you feel, or somebody, maybe it's your partner if you are a controlling person then, but I think it's you, that now you feel that you have to take the charge of your life, and that's what you want to do. That's what you want to do. Now again here with the Three of Pentacles, again here with the Three of Pentacles, again I am feeling that there is some love triangle over here. There is, you are definitely involved in the love triangle, and that is why there is so much of toxicity in this relationship. With the Queen of Swords, somebody here is somebody wants to change, somebody wants to transform, somebody wants to, and I think it's you, somebody wants to cut away the negativity, somebody is now getting strong, they want to cut away whatever is just not serving them, is spoiling them, I got that word, but basically it's spoiling their nature, it's spoiling their environment, it's spoiling their mental health. Okay, so now somebody wants to now has you so here I think you have that clarity, you have that vision, you just want to fly in the sky independently, you want to soar high, you don't want anything negative in your life as for now. You just don't want to, you just want to cut away everything and anything which is just not serving you and is causing you that sort of mental toxicity. You just want to soar high, you want to live like a free bird. That's what I said here also. You want liberation, yeah, that's the word. You want to liberate yourself from this toxic energy, and you know you are in a position to do that. That's what I was saying. You want growth, you want happiness, you want the flowers blossoming for you. Okay, you want to soar high, you want liberation, you want happiness, you want like the sky is my limit type of a thing, and nothing negative is going to come my way and just get lost type of a thing. You are taking charge of yourself here, transforming, bringing the transformations and the changes which are required. And you have the resources, you have the wisdom, you know you can do it. And maybe here, if it is a third party, I've got it from two cards, and also it can be that you have discussed with your kith and kin, you have discussed with your friends, you have discussed with your family members, whosoever they are, and then you have decided, okay, now it's over, sort of a thing. I'm not going to deal with all this crap. And with the Ten of Pentacles, the King of Cups. Ten of Pentacles, there is a lot of abundance. You want stability, and that is what you are moving forward towards. You do not want to deal with any crap. Okay, and you will be getting it. You are working on your financial stability, you are working on the stability, stable foundations, be it family, be it finances, whatever it is. But you want that childlike innocence in you. You want to you want that, again, that child, you want to find that child within you. You don't want anything toxic, you want to fly high. That's what I've already told you. So you are working towards your stabilities, and that is what is your main concern. Now I feel somebody is coming in with the King of Cups, somebody who is very compassionate, somebody who is emotional but yet very emotionally mature and content. They are coming your way from a distance. They are coming your way, though you are focused on the self healing. You have surrendered to the situation. You are undergoing the transformation. You are undergoing that self healing. You don't want to deal with anything. You are sort of tired, and you want to give all the time to yourself. But somebody who is emotionally mature is very, very intelligent, very sharp, very wise, is thinking to come in. They're planning to come in. They have a solid stable foundations to offer you, but this person is just still contemplating. Maybe you are not even aware of it, because this person is far. I'm not getting that they are in your view. Maybe it is they are in your view for some of you, but for most of you, I think there is somebody from far who is interested in you or is thinking of coming in. And a person is emotionally mature, they are wise, they are emotionally stable also, and they are very passionate also, and they are coming in. But the only thing is, they are taking, they don't want to rush in. They want to really do all the work which is required to move in. They just don't want to, they are not coming for fun. Basically, they are not coming to for fun. Okay, so they want to assess everything before they offer their love to you, because it is a stable connection. With the Strength card over here, now you have been dealing with all this negativity, and it has been a tough time for you. And the only thing was that you have dealt it with a lot of strength. It has required a lot of strength on your part to deal with it, and you've done it. You have dealt with it in a very delicate way, delicately firm, sort of a situation in which you have dealt with. And then now here, just see what I'm getting, all the healing with the yellow out here. There is a lot of healing going on, lot of brightness is going to come in your life, lot of happiness, lot of sunshine, lot of happiness. And it's like sun is going to shine in your life. That's what I'm getting. With the Judgment over here, some sort of decision is being done. Either you are taking it or somebody else is taking it. It is a time of a decision, or I think you will have to take a decision for the person who is coming in, because here we have the Knight of Cups and the Knight of Swords. So we have all the three knights we have. So basically, this person, though they want to rush in very, very passionately towards you, they are taking it slow. They have the love for you, they have the clarity that they know that they want you, they have the love. But they, since it is a stable connection, they are going slow, and that's the right thing to do. And the Judgment, what I feel here is your decision, which you will be taking in this, as far as this person is concerned, or you will be taking, or they will be taking, if it's you, if it is the vice versa. But yes, somebody is going to take a decision for a new relationship. That's what I'm getting. Some sort of a message may come to you. Maybe some sort of a message will come to you in some way, shape or form, which will help you also to take a decision. That's what I feel. Maybe from your friend or online or something, whatever, but some sort of, or maybe it is a divine guidance or an enlightenment. But somebody will, or maybe somebody comes to you, they approach you like a messenger of God, and they help you in taking this decision, because you are focused on self-healing. Here again with the King of Hearts, it is all about moderation, you balancing. So you are obviously healing yourself, you are balancing the situation, you are just focused on self-healing and moderating the negativities and moderation. That's what you are doing, and that is the right thing to do. The two of action, trust in your ability to make excellent choices. There is an opportunity all around you if you just continue to move forward. It may be the time to take a new partner who can help you be a success in your career and creative endeavors. Keep eyes on the big picture rather than details of the moment. What did I say? Two of action, trust. Do not underestimate your power of making a choice. It is a time to take a decision. It is a time to make a choice. So you, maybe it is a new partner, that's what I said. You, somebody else is coming your way and you need to make a choice. This is a new partner who will help you grow. Because this person is a wise person, this person is not a shitty person. Okay, they are a nice person, they are a good person, they will help you evolve in every way. Okay, so it is a time to take a decision. Take the right decision. Number 11 or number 2 may be of some significance for you. Look to your inner strength. You are stronger than you think. So now basically we have the 2 strength cards over here. So this situation requires a lot of strength, and this judgment is also requiring a lot of strength. Maybe you have had enough of it. Maybe you want to be single. You want to liberation. You want to soar high. You are happy being single. You are content with the world card. You are content being single. Okay, you feel as if you have all the abundance. You feel you don't need anybody, and you already have enough of it. You are not ready for any other relationship perhaps as for now. Okay, and you want to soar high. That's what I said initially also. You want to just fly high like a bird, free in the sky. Okay, and because you need to realize that you have the strength. You have the strength. You are stronger than what you think. Do not minimize yourself in your own eyes. You understand that you have the strength. You can come out of this negativity. Okay, so basically it is this situation has caused that much of negativity in your mind that now you feel small, like small in the sense like you feel that maybe if you go into another relationship, maybe you will feel trapped. Maybe again you will be trapped. Maybe that person may again behave in the same way with you. No, it's not like that. You need to realize that you can come out of this negative energy. You can come out of this negative energy and you can soar high. Okay, so Cancerians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.